Hi there, I'm Mrs. Charles with Kids in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to give you some tips about how to use a mini muffin pan. All right, I'm going to show you how to fill your muffin pan first. You need to decide if you're going to use a liner or not. First, I'll show you how to fill the batter in a liner. So I'm going to put this right here. Then I'm going to take my 2 tablespoon coffee measuring cup because it's 2 tablespoons, and I need to fill these about a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half. So I'm filling it up to not quite the top, and then I'm going to pour it right into my muffin, and it fills it about 2/3 of the way, which is just perfect for most recipes in mini muffins. And if you fill it the same amount, your muffins should turn out about all the same size. So there's 3, but you would actually fill all 6 of these. You could use a 1/4 cup measuring cup and just fill it halfway, which would be 1/8 of a cup, and that would be about the same amount that we have here. You could also use a spoon if you don't have a measuring cup. If you're not going to use a liner, you need to grease the bottom of the muffin tin so the baked muffins come out of the pan easily. Spray a small amount of cooking spray into the bottom of the muffin pan. I'll just do 6 to show you. Now take your batter. Again, fill it a little bit to the top, and then pour it in here. You want to get it so that each muffin hole has about 2/3 filled. And if you do them all about the same, your muffin should turn out beautifully about the same size. If you don't have cooking spray, you can use a little butter or Crisco on the bottom of each muffin hole. When the pan is filled, you're ready to bake. Follow the instructions on your recipe to know how long to bake your mini muffins. Most muffins take about 10 minutes to bake. You don't want to overbake mini muffins as they'll get dry, so keep an eye on them. When your muffins are baked and ready to come out, use a hot pad so you don't burn yourself, and insert a toothpick in the middle of your baked muffin. If the toothpick comes out clean, then you know your muffins are baked. Transfer your muffins using your hot pad onto a wire rack to cool. I hope you learned a little bit about how to use a muffin pan. Have fun making different recipes. You can always add mini chocolate chips to a banana muffin recipe, and I hope you try a savory recipe like a mini cheese muffin. It's delicious.